Hi, everyone. This is immigration attorney Aaron Mandel, and we have today again attorney Hila Kaplan, another attorney who works with our firm. And we had a lot of good response the last time Hila was in our video, so we're doing another one. So today we're going to talk about an interesting situation from a client. We have court later this afternoon for a client who came to us a few days ago. His immigration case started 2 years ago, and the judge in his case told him 2 years ago at his last hearing, make sure the next time you come with an attorney. And you have to do something in your case, file papers, whatever he needed to do. You know what? He waited 2 years, and 3 days before the hearing, he came to see an attorney. Finally. This is a giant problem because the judge gave him homework to do 2 years ago, and he waited 2 years to come see an attorney. Now, there is not a lot of legal work that we can do in 3 days. And we are going to say to the judge, we're going to apologize to the judge, right, on behalf of our client, saying we're really kind of sorry that he sat on this a long time. And luckily now, he found an attorney, and we're going to be able to help him with this case. And we need a little bit more time from the judge to actually file papers for him. So we are going to ask the judge for a short continuance in his case so that the judge can give us the time to prepare the papers that are necessary for his case. But the important idea that I want you to take away, that we see this with clients all the time.
Just come to see the lawyer sooner. Even you found someone you love, you want to get married, everything is fine. Just come to consulate with the lawyer before. We can explain more how you have to deal, what you want, even a business visa. Come before you already have the company and the shares, and
so that we can help you set it up from the beginning. I tell people all the time, it's much better to pay an attorney to work with you from the beginning of the process, even before the process begins, to help get everything set up. We want an attorney to work with you through your case rather than to clean up the pieces after you have perhaps done something too late when you didn't go to an attorney.
It will be faster for you also, right?
Yeah.
It will be smoother. You'll have lots of information on exactly what's going on, how does it look like, and it will help us.
And
help you.
Here's another, unfortunately we have a lot of war stories from bad things that have happened to our clients, right? There was a number of times we have different variations of this story. People fall in love, they're going to get married, they're going to get their green card based on marrying a United States citizen, and then for whatever reason they get married and they sit on their applications and they don't file them, and then something bad happens. They get caught by immigration, they get caught by the deportation department. They're going on a vacation, they're driving to Las Vegas for their honeymoon, and there's an immigration checkpoint on the way, and then they get stopped, they get detained, they get put in jail. And very often we can fix it, but sometimes we can't. And it's a big problem.
It costs more time, more complicated. Just come consulate with the lawyer.
Yeah,
way before.
The first thing you need to do whenever you have any thought of doing some immigration process, come talk to your lawyer, whether it's us or somebody else. There are a lot of good immigration attorneys out there, right? We are good at what we do, but there are others as well. Come talk to an attorney and get some legal advice so that you can prepare yourself for your case.
Some people think that immigration, specifically marriage, I would say, and business, it's just forms, Yeah, I just need that kind of form. Just fill it up, and what's the big deal? But it's much more complicated than that. It's not just a form, it's a strategy. What do you need to put in the application? What do you need, the bona fide?
Right. It's the same thing with taxes, right? If you have a complicated tax situation, maybe for some people, if you're single and you have one job and they give you and they pay you and you have no dependents and no exemptions, and maybe for some people it's a very simple tax return. But if you have other dependents in your family, you have exemptions, you have a business, you have investments, you have a complicated tax situation, go to an accountant that you know. It's the same thing with a lawyer. Come work with us. That's our job, is to help clients with complicated legal situations. That's what we do. And we can only help you if you come to us, and if you come to us early enough in the process that we can help you.
Right. when you come with all the questions you have, with all the papers you have, the history, I would say, of the case that you have, and then you can see the whole picture together with you.
Come to your lawyer. Come early in the process, because when we play to win.
See ya.
And so should you.